Hey, Verlinda Sweeting here. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be talking about Safelists in this video. What is a Safelist in particular? I'm going to show you from start to finish on how to use them. So without wasting any time, I'm going to go ahead and get started. But make sure if you're new to watching this, you just so happen to type in Safelist, just subscribe. That way you can see all the other videos that I post up and you won't miss them. So let's go ahead and dig right in. Okay. What is a safe list? It's a mailing list where all members can mail to each other. These emails cannot be considered as spam because every member has opted in and confirmed their email addresses. Okay, so what you're doing when you join these safe lists, I'll show you what they look like in a little bit. You're agreeing to receive emails from other members. Okay, so you join the safe list, you confirm, that you're getting started with this. You're also confirming that you're going to be receiving these emails. You're not saying that they're spam because they're promoting their business opportunity to you, and you're going to promote your offer to them as well. Okay. A safe list can be used to advertise websites, business opportunities, and so forth. Even if you have a blog or a website, you can promote them in safe lists. If you have affiliate offers, you can promote them in safe lists. There's people who are promoting their MLM programs. I've seen people promote their own jewelry websites, t-shirt business. They put them in safe lists, okay? Safe lists are also known as viral mailers, list builders, and credit mailers, okay? I spelled list builders wrong, but it's L-I-S-T, list builders, okay? So whatever name you see, they all look different, but the concept is the same. You're emailing or you're posting your ads to these members. Okay, so the big question is, do Safelists work? Because a lot of people ask, and there's people who say they don't. I've been using them since 2009, okay? There's so many different Safelists out here. The owners who build these Safelists, it wouldn't make any sense for thousands of people to use them if they didn't work, okay? If you've seen some training from top internet marketers, perhaps you've been in some. Not all marketers do this, but some of them mention safe lists. They recommend them. Email marketing is the best and fastest way to make sales and sign up online. Okay, email marketing, right? So you want to make sure you do this the correct way when you're coming in doing safe lists or any type of email marketing. You want to do it correctly. One thing to note is that free advertising, they typically have a lower conversion rate, okay? It doesn't mean that they don't work. You'll have slower results than you would with paid advertising. Remember, if you're new, you're just getting started with this, you're getting your feet wet. So you need to be patient with this. Even with paid advertising, you need to be patient because this is real people that we're reaching, and everybody joins at their own time, okay? So you need to just make sure you're focused, make sure you're just doing what you need to do every day, and that's advertising, okay? Safe list does work. Free advertising works. You just, if you're on a tight budget, this is a perfect place to start. The best way to get results from free sites is you want to use them consistently. And like I said before, this is real people that you're reaching out to, okay? You're putting your advertising in front of these people. You need to let them see it consistently. They need to see it all the time. Okay, so when you sign up for these safe lists, the goal is to sign up for as many as you can. There's people that may say, they don't work for me. They're probably not in enough safe lists and they're not doing it consistently. Okay. You have to do it consistently. It's not going to work overnight. There's some slow days, things like that. That happens everywhere. Okay. So you want to sign in to as many safe lists as you can. Okay. You probably want to know how many did I sign up for. In the beginning, I only signed up for about 10. And then once I got comfortable on how to use the safe list, I started adding more to my list. I have a spreadsheet. So I started adding more and adding more and adding more. So eventually I got to over about 300 safe lists over time. Didn't happen overnight. But the more you post in them, the better. Okay. Because members might not be in a particular safe list that you're in, but you may be able to reach them in another. So that's the goal. You want to be into as many as you can. You want to do it every day. Post every single day. Don't miss. Okay. All right. Keep an eye out for other types of Safelist mailers. There's some new ones that come out, and when they do, they have these promo codes that you can use, and they give you credit so you can post right away, okay? So you want to look out for those things. How does it work? I'm going to show you how it works in the next video. With this training that you're going to be seeing in all the videos, I'm going to show you from start to finish, so you can pause and look at all of this. We're going to go over this. We're not going to go over number 2, and that's LastPass. This is good for helping you organize your IDs and your passwords when you join these Safelists, and of course you can use them for other things, but I won't go into that. I'm going to show you how to join the Safelist. I'm going to show you how to activate them, how to filter the Gmails, how to post your first ad in these Safelists. I'm going to show you that, okay? I have my own opportunity that I'm using, so I'll show you how I post mine, and whatever opportunity that you're using, you use your opportunity to post in them as well, okay? I'm going to show you how to click for those credits. I'm also going to show you an easy way how to get your credits a whole lot faster, make life a whole lot easier, because these Safelists can be time consuming, and you know, why not make life a little bit easier for you? Okay, so let's go ahead and let me show you what these Safelists look like. All right, so here's one here. It's called 10x World Safelists. So they all do the same thing. They look different when you join them. I've been in this Safelist for quite a while. You can see how many members are in this Safelist. So there's one. Now, with these members, you have to know that when you join them, you're joining as a free member, okay? So if you're on a tight budget, you don't have any money, you just join these Safelists for free, okay? Don't try to feel that you need to upgrade in them, because as I said before, if you can't reach members in this particular Safelist, perhaps you can reach them somewhere else, all right? So here's another one. This is called Achiever. I've been in this one for a very long time as well. This is the owner here. Some of them you'll be able to scroll down and you'll see the owners of these Safelists. And then you have this one here, Achiever. You can see the scripts look different, but they all do the same thing. You see this? Other viral mailers, Safelist is what they call them. We talked about that. All right, here's another one. This is one of my favorite Safelist. This is Hercules. Okay, this has been out for years. Let me show you the actual home page. All right, this is Hercules here. Awesome. Look how many members that they have here, okay? 200,000 members. This is a wonderful place to start for Safelists, but I would actually recommend anybody who joins Hercules, you should want to be a paid member in this one. Okay, this is probably one of them that I highly recommend to be upgraded in. All right, this is another one. Okay, this is called Youll. I'm a free member in this one, but just so you can see an idea of what they look like. All right, that's what we're going through in this video. Here's another one. Ads Messenger. This one, actually, you don't need to click for credits inside your Gmail account. You do everything inside of this particular Safelist. All right, so this is called Ad Messenger. Here again, I talk about the promo code. So when you join them, you copy that code. When you log in inside, you can use the code, and all you have to do is read 15 ads, look at them, and then you're ready to post your own ad. This one here is my favorite as well. Let me go to the home page. You can see how many members are in this Safelist. This is European Safelist. You don't get to mail to all these members in this Safelist because you're a free member. If you want to reach all these members, you'll need to upgrade. Okay, so that is the difference. So that's why I said if you're on a low budget, you don't have any money at all. You have your opportunity and everything you need to get started. You need a place to advertise. You come use these Safelists, join them for free. Okay, once you start making what you need to make, then you can, it's up to you if you want to just use paid advertising somewhere else or if you want to upgrade into a Safelist. Okay. All right. So with this one, you won't be able to mail to the entire members here. All right. This is a very good one. This one's been out, look at this, since 2007. Okay. Guaranteed solo mails. All right. Here's another one. I am a free member here, but here you have the owner, Marty, and she owns quite a few list mailers. So this is a great one to sign up for. List Impact. Like I said, they all look different. Okay. See, it's free. All of them are free to get started. They're all easy to join, and I'm going to show you that in the next video. List Builder Mayhem. Here's another one. List Avail. You see how all the scripts look different? Okay? They all look different. They're all free to join, but the concept is the same. You only have to do one thing. Get in here, post your ads every single day. Make sure you have credits for them and things like that. All right, here's another one that's been out for a very long time, 2005. They've been around for a long time, guys. If they did not work, it would be a waste of time to keep it going this long. Okay? They work. Safelists Work. All right, here's another one. I'm a free member here since 2018 and beyond. Okay? So they all look different. They're named different. This one's called Mail Z. All right, this is another good one. Teaser Mail. Scroll down. When you're joining them, you're agreeing to receive emails from other people, okay? And again, we're going to go through how to do all of that, all right? So again, I'm going to go over all of these things from start to finish. I'm going to teach you how to use these safe lists. So what you're going to need to do is get yourself prepared. That way you can follow along with me. We'll start off with the first one. In the next video, we'll start off with creating Gmail accounts. And then we're going to go straight into number 3. We're not going to talk about downloading LastPass because you can always use a notepad. Write down your passwords for these safe lists that you join. That way you don't forget them. If you do, you can get a link to reset your password. So it's no big deal. We're going to talk about how to activate them. Okay. When you activate them, it's the only way you can use the safe list. So just remember that. Also, activating your account, you're agreeing to receive these emails. Filtering your Gmails, we'll talk about that. Posting your first ads and clicking for your credits. And again, I'll show you another video of how you can get your credits easy so that you don't be so overwhelmed and clicking all the time. That's it for this video. Thank you again for watching. My name is Verlinda Sweeting, and I'll see you in the next video.